Let's have breakfast first.
Bubba, get away from there. The eggs are right under you. The eggs.
Eggs? Are we having eggs for breakfast?
I like my sunny side up.
No, that's not it. That's the site of our investigation today.
Investigation?
Come on, move it.
I bet the bird who laid these eggs is somewhere nearby here. I know. In the tree!
Oh, found her! Hey, Mrs. Earlybird, did you lay those eggs in the ground?
Oh my, of course not. My eggs are right here in my nest. See, look! My feathered friends lay our eggs in our nests.
Oh, okay.
I must find the eggs' mother and keep them safe. Oh, my arms are killing me. Bubba, are you done investigating?
Hey, Pete! The raccoon saw her. He saw who laid the eggs.
What? Who was it?
Ow.
The raccoon said she had 4 legs.
She had 4 legs? Well then, it couldn't have been a bird. It has 4 legs, and it lays eggs. That's it! It's a frog!
But the raccoon had one more thing to say!
Hey, when are we going to have breakfast?
It was you, wasn't it? You laid the eggs in the ground and ran.
Oh my goodness, frogs don't lay eggs in the ground.
Why, pretty much everyone knows that frogs lay eggs in the water. Oh, there's even a song about it.
In a flowing stream, a little tadpole. Wiggle, wiggle, it swims along. Its hind leg comes out. If I'd only thought about it more, I would have figured out that a frog couldn't have laid those eggs.
Maybe you should do more research, great detective.
Here are the footprints. Okay, let's follow them to the... What are you doing? Wake up! Open your eyes! Open them! It's a long trail of footprints. Who on earth could have made them?
It looks like a wheel made these prints. Wow!
That's it. The dead insects must have been eaten and discarded by whatever made these footprints.
What if it's some kind of scary monster with wheels?
Or a scary ghost with wheels? That comes out at night.
Stop talking nonsense and be serious. This was definitely done by something that hunts at night. Let's go examine the area carefully. What's that? Baba, Molly, did you see that? Baba, Molly? What is that? A ghost!
Pete! It's me, Bubba!
See, Baba, I told you we shouldn't play tricks.
The night passed, and we only ended up making a commotion. We greeted the morning with no clues or leads. Last night, something dark and gruesome definitely passed by here. It left a long trail of prints, and it preyed on innocent insects. I, the great forest detective, could have caught the culprit.
Aha! I'm sure the culprit's still somewhere around here.
Let's go find it, Baba. Stop right there! Stop right there!
A crab's footprints. They were different from the prints we found.
Come back here! Wow, they look so yummy.
Hold on!
What?
We have to secure the perimeter first.
Time to have a taste.
Hold on!
What is it now?
We should examine them and see what kind they are first.
Oh, I told you that if you let me taste one, then I'll know right away what kind of berry it is.
I have 3 words. Poisonous mushroom case.
Wow, they look so pretty. I bet they're yummy.
That's right. I thought you were a goner that day, Baba.
A true investigator must act only after he has conclusive proof. Therefore, we should compare them with other berries.
Okay, let's go eat some other berries first.
He just wants to eat.
Baba's impossible.
So many different colors. So many different shapes. The forest was a cornucopia of berries. And among them...
Oh, these look a lot like the berries from before.
we had found raspberries.
Wow, the raspberries are so sweet. Aren't they?
We wouldn't know because you ate them all, Baba.
Greedy Baba.
Okay. Then I'll leave some of these raspberries for you guys to taste. But first, I'll have a little bite.
Hold on!
Oh, what now?
I don't think they're raspberries. They look different. Let's compare them.
Oh, that pricks!
Grasshoppers. A snake. And a fish, too. If the culprit's not eating them, then is he collecting them? How strange.
Oh, that pricks! The only thing that's strange is this thorn tree. It keeps on pricking me for no reason. Maybe... That would be scary.
You're getting pricks because you keep moving around. Hey, cute little birdie. This is a crime scene. You shouldn't be here. You shouldn't eat that.
It's mine.
No, it's not. It's evidence.
Hoop, Abio! Let Baba handle this cute little critter. I'll show him who's boss. Whoop. Oh, the bricks!
Anyway, it impaled a grasshopper, a frog, a snake, and a fish. The only thing that could fly up high is a bird. And it must be a bird that's good at hunting. It was you, wasn't it?
Grasshoppers? Huh. Korean buzzards have standards, you know. My prey of choice is this. And panda, I would eat it right away, not stick it on some tree. That's just not my thing.
I see. Didn't mean to accuse you. Well then...
Where do you think you're going?
It's been a while. I see you're still busy collecting things.
I have to, if I want to attract the ladies. Since my feathers are dull, I have to make my house enticing. Anyway, what brings you here?
Did you take my tent for your collection?
No. I guess you still think I'm some kind of a thief.
Then, do you know anyone that likes to clean?
I've only heard rumors. But there's supposed to be this bird that really likes to clean up. I also heard that this bird does a fancy dance to attract the ladies.
According to the bowerbird, this dancing fella most likely took Molly's tent. I bet we'll find traces of his colorful feathers somewhere around here. Let's start looking. Hey, I found a feather.
It's the most vibrant blue I've ever seen.
But how are we going to find the culprit with this one feather?
Here, I have a feather log. They're the feathers of all the birds I've investigated. I've organized them by color.
What a show-off.
A peacock?
That's it. Peacocks are famous for being fancy. All right, Coco, take us to the peacock.
There he is, the fancy bird that took my tent.
Because he has such beautiful feathers, he can attract females by just keeping his area clean.
That's right. I do have beautiful feathers and dance gracefully. However, I do not go around cleaning. It's beneath me.
Don't lie to me. We found a feather at the crime scene that proves you were there, Mr. Fancy Pants. Baba, show him.
Here's the feather. Booyah! Look closely. That dingy yellow feather couldn't possibly be mine.
What are you talking about? This feather's blue. That's strange. I could have sworn the feather was blue.
Hold on. Put the feather up to the sun.
Like this? Hey, the feather's reflecting the sunlight.
Wow, it shimmers so pretty.
So that's why it looked like it changed color. If we could get a bird's eye view, maybe we can spot the feathers better.
Ready?
This is the spot.
What was that? Was it the invisible monster?
Oh boy, you just slipped on the moss. The invisible insect predator must be hiding somewhere on this rock. Let's go find him.
Please, oh please don't come out.
Reveal yourself. I don't see anything hiding here. What's that? Is it the invisible monster?
I don't think so.
You said invisible monsters don't exist. Scaredy cat.
Who are you? Are you the culprit?
Huh? Culprit for what? I'm just going on my way across this rock. You can't!
The invisible monster might attack you.
Don't be silly. I just examined the entire rock. There's nothing here. It's all clear.
You sure? Okay, then. Yeah.
So then, what is it that attacked those insects? What happened?
Out of nowhere, something grabbed me and tried to pull me down.
Just now? Show yourself!
There's no one here except us.
Taking pictures won't help us now! I'm positive the culprit's hiding nearby. He attacked like lightning and then ran away. Let's search around the rock. We investigated all the animals around the rock, but the toad isn't quick enough to be our culprit.
Oh boy, and the earthworm is even slower.
The mystery is solved.